In developing a piece of furniture for the entryway of the library, the thing that catalyzed and that resonated with people was a bench based on the James River. The James River is a really dynamic feature of the city, utilized by an entire cross-section of the population of Richmond. The title is called Fall Line because that section of the James, which is illustrated in the bench, that has everything to do with why Richmond is exactly where Richmond is. Below the fall line, there are no rapids, and that's navigable by large ships out to the Chesapeake Bay, then into the Atlantic Ocean. It's broken into 4 sections. There's a natural breakup at the iconic bridges of Richmond to allow pedestrian traffic, and then also to give a little more visual information. So where those bridges go across, they expose a cross-section of the building materials that are synonymous with Richmond. This will be this object that greets you. Anytime people are coming together, there becomes an information sharing aspect, there becomes storytelling. It becomes sort of a meeting point. My hope is that it's something that people will recognize as being unique to Richmond. The James River, which I find to be this remarkably dynamic element of Richmond. It's really an amazing feature of the city. And if I can have my artwork start a conversation, then that's something that is really important to me. I feel really fortunate to have this piece on the campus of VCU.